How to make a logo in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a logo in Canva. First you want to make sure you are logged in into your Canva account. Then you want to go and click on create a design, select logo, and you'll be taken to a new page. From there are multiple things you can do. You can change a template and alter that one. Let's say we go for Light Studio. If you want, you can change the text, you can change the color of the background. For example, let's make it yellow. You can make it a bigger one, a smaller one, same for the text. Then on the left menu, you've got all kinds of options you can use to alter your logo the way you want it. If you click on elements, you see there are multiple things you can choose from. As you can see, I clicked on circle. There are all the options you want to choose, maybe photos, some are for the pros, videos. You can clear your search so you can click on other things you want to use, maybe graphics, stickers, photos, videos. You can use all kinds of things. Then you can go to text and you can add a text box, make it yourself, or you can use default text styles, maybe some font combinations. You want to do something with Sil, and this is for the pros, so let's take the glow. Click on it and it will be shown into your logo. Again, you can change the size if you want, change the color. You can underline it, you can add effects, animation, transparency. As you can see as I scroll down, it will be more transparent. And that way you can make your own logo. Now once you're done, you can click on the share button here. You can click on download and then you can also download it and it will be on your computer. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.